So whether you're hanging out at the campsite or you're just trying to unload some things from the back of your truck, a little bit of extra light could go a long way. So in this one, we're going to be installing the LED bed lights on the 2020 Plus Tacoma. And if you want to grab a set of these for your Tacoma, they're available on YotaXpedition.com. There's a link right down in the description. It'll take you right to the product page. This is going to be a super easy install, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so to do this install, you're just going to need a 10mm socket and a ratchet. And if you take a look at the taillight here, right inside the tailgate, you're going to have 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts. So we're going to go ahead and remove those. All right, so once we have those 3 bolts removed, you're gonna have some clips along the taillight in here that clip into the body. So you're just gonna grab the taillight, you're gonna pull it straight back towards you, like that. And we can go ahead and set that right inside the tailgate. All right, so we got the taillight removed, and one cool thing about the 2020 Plus models is that the wiring for what we're gonna be installing is already here, right behind the taillight. So we're gonna go ahead and just unclip it from its housing that it's sitting in, and then we can use that wire to plug right into our bed lights. All right, so now what we can do is pop out the dummy plate on the side of your bed. This is gonna be really easy to take out. What you're gonna be doing is going up from underneath, and you'll have this little clip. You'll just depress that and push it out, and it'll fall right out, and we can go ahead and clip in the light. All right, so in the kit, you're gonna find 2 harnesses and you're gonna find 2 lights. On the harness, the side with the red clip, that is gonna be going into the back of the light, and then the other end is gonna be going into the harness on the truck. So we can go ahead and fish these through, get them all hooked up, and then we'll plug in the lights last. All right, so we'll go ahead and plug in the harness. And then on this, you'll see there is a little clip, and that can go right here on the body to hold it in place. Now we can go ahead and feed this wire through and have it come out the hole on the top. All right, so now we can go ahead and plug the light in, and we can get that clipped in place. All right, so to plug this in, we're gonna go ahead and pull the red tab back on the plug. Now we can go ahead, plug it in, push that red tab back in, and that'll lock it in place to ensure that it can't just come off. Now, if you do ever wanna take these off, you do have to pull that red tab out first before you go ahead and unplug it. Now we can go ahead and just clip the light in. So if you look at the top of the light, you can see there's those little fingers there. We're gonna be tucking those underneath on the top, and then the bottom has this clip that'll lock it in place. So go ahead, put the top in first, push it up, clip it in. So with that, this side is all finished up. We can go ahead and reinstall our taillight, and we can do the same exact steps to the passenger side. All right, guys, there you have it, the bed lights for the 2020 Plus Tacoma. Now we have plenty of light in the bed, and we can see what we are doing. And if you have a 16 to 19 Tacoma, we have those covered as well, but the installation is gonna be a bit different for those. Again, if you wanna grab a set of these for your Tacoma, they're available on YotaXpedition.com. You can click the link right down in the description. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give it a like. If you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button. We're constantly posting new Tacoma and 4Runner content. And thanks for watching.